Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about admission, which is given under Indian Evidence Act. So admission is a common language. It is a statement that made by a person orally, in writing or electronically in reference to a case. The assertion must be suggestive of some interference pertaining to the issue at hand or a relevant fact. The individual admits that the veracity of the other party's fact is acknowledged. A court's admission of a fact enables the production of evidence during legal proceedings to be waived. Now, what is admission? Admission is defined under Section 17 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. An admission is a statement, oral or documentary, or contained in electronic form, which suggests any interference as to any fact in issue or relevant fact, and which is made by any of the persons and under the circumstances hereinafter mentioned. It means an admission is a statement, oral or written, or in electronic form, made by a party to a suit or proceeding which suggests any interference as to any fact in issue or relevant fact. Admission can be made by a party to a suit or proceedings or by any persons from whom the party derived his title to the property in dispute, or by any person from whom he derived his right to this office in dispute. Admission may either be self-destructive or constructive. Serve own interest. Evidence of self-harm is admissible in a court of law. Silence can also be used to make an admission. So I hope you are pretty much clear with the admission part. If not so, then do let me know in the comment section. In my next video we will talk about who can make admission, which is given under Section 18 of Indian Evidence Act. Till then, take care of yourself. In the meanwhile, if you have any query regarding this particular video, do let me know in the comment section so that I can clear up all your doubts regarding this particular video. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.